Look what I just unboxed. Hey, what's up? It's Eric, and if it's your first time being here, hit the subscribe button, click on the little bell so you get notified of next videos. But for today, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of the new camera that just arrived, the Nikon D5600. I'm excited because I've been using my phone, point and shoots, but I finally have time to do an unboxing video, and let's go ahead and do that now. I've been just keeping it down here for this special occasion. It's right here. Oh, check this thing out. It's gonna be nice and big. It's a kit. It's a full kit. So let's go and open up this bad boy. Let's see if we can maneuver this with the camera and open this up. But yeah, it's a full kit, has a couple extra lenses that come with it, has a camera bag with it, so I am excited about finally getting to play around with this. Oh, check this out. Oh yeah, look at all that goody stuff in here. Okay, let's do a full, okay. This is going to be fun. Got a bunch of good stuff in here. First thing is the 64 gig of storage. Awesome. Okay. Extra battery pack. Gonna need that. Ooh, nice. Got the filters. We got two extra lenses that came with the kit. It's the wide angle lens. And then we also have this extra telephoto lens in here. Little strap. Of course, more straps. And the cable came with the bag as well. And then here it is. Ooh, 5600. I got. Oh, here's the weird situation on this. I swore I swore that I got the 5500. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna have to double check on that, and then you have the shutter release. So basically everything in my bundle is the 5600, extra surprise there. That's awesome. My camera bag, extra lens, another extra lens. Got the filters going on there. Extra battery pack. I gotta have at least 64 gigs of storage, not just me, and camera release here, and then that. So let's go ahead and which one should we open up first? Let's go with this one here. Check this guy out. Oh, nice. It comes in a nice little bag here. Love it. Okay. I'm actually holding my phone while I'm opening this at the same time. So sweet. Well, that'll be fun. I really like that it came with the little bag there. And I'm assuming it's the same situation with the telephoto lens. It is. Nice. I love packaging when they put it together so nicely for you like this. Sweet. And then making a mess, of course, but you always need to have some digital filters, and I believe this one came with 3 or 4 of them. Nice. Look again, nice packaging in here. A lot on here. Really need something to hold. Oh, look at that. Comes with all the extra filters in here. Sweet. And I stress you always need an extra battery and extra chargers and stuff. So let's go ahead and dive into the main attraction. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. 5600 1855 kit. Here, got it on Amazon. And okay. Sweet. Battery. So just pull it out of here first. Chargers, just the straps. This is going to be the 5600 body. Okay. Let's put this right here. That's beautiful. And then we've got the actual lens. Okay. What I like about the 5600 is this little screen here that you can flip. Let me see if I can do this with one hand here. Nice. There we go. Love it. Because you can also flip it around here. There we go. So now you can see it, especially when you're blogging. So that's pretty cool. So there you have it, the 5600 Nikon camera. I will do a full review of this